Hello, in today's training, we are going to look at using the speaker spotlight icon in Google Slides. The speaker spotlight is where the person who is the presenter of the presentation is able to be seen on the slide with the presentation as they are presenting. So this is for any instance whereas you may be doing something virtual. It could be a virtual meeting. It could be a virtual class. It can also be if you are doing a presentation in front of a large audience and you would like to be able to let the audience see your face and facial expressions. All of those good things when it comes to being able to be visible to your audience. So in order to access this feature, of course, we have to go into our Google Slides app. So we're going to go over to our app launcher, or what we may call our handy dandy waffle. We'll click on it and then click on the icon for Google Slides. The other option would be is to just type in google.slides.com and it will bring you to Google Slides as well. Uh, for the purpose of this presentation, I'm going to use a previously created presentation. You can do it with a brand new presentation. I just want to make sure that you can see how this icon or this feature works and you're able to see it in an actual presentation. So I'm going to click on this presentation and it will bring up my slides and my slide deck. From here, I'm going to go to my toolbar or my menu bar where I have other icons of things that I can add to my presentation. For this training, we're just going to focus on the speaker spotlight. So I'm going to go up to my menu bar where I have the icon of the little camera with the silhouette of a person. And as you see it, as I hover over the icon, the labeling of Speaker Spotlight comes on. Once I click that icon, it is going to bring me into a new menu where I am able to choose my spotlight shape. And so this shape is just whatever shape I want my video or my image to show up in. So for today, I'm going to just pick a circle. Once I pick that shape, I'm going to drag it to the location that I want it to be in on my presentation. And usually you want to find a spot where either you know that there isn't any text that it would cover or block, or you can move it to different locations on each slide. Today we're just going to try and just use it in one spot, but I'll show you those features as well. So now that I have my circle for my spotlight, I'm going to help it to stand out a little bit more by going and giving it a border. So now I have my border and I have my spotlight window available on my slide. From here, you can decide whether or not you would like to have that spotlight icon, the speaker spotlight on every slide, or if you want to pick and choose which slides you want the speaker spotlight to be available on. You don't have to use it on every slide, but if you want to use it on every slide, what you can simply do is once you click on the shape that you chose, right click on it, and it's going to give you the option in this menu to add shape to all slides. You're going to click on that. And if you look over here, you'll see that that little circle has been added to every one of my slides that I have available over here, which is what I wanted to do. Let's say that you may want to have it on some slides, but not all slides. So what I could do is I can take it and I can highlight it and delete it off of the slides that I don't want it on, or I can just add the speaker spotlight to specific slides that I want to use it on. So once I have that available, I can close this window. And another feature that you can use instead of going into a different platform, you can also record in Google Slides. So I am going to click on my record button, record new video, and as the presentation comes up, although you see right there that there is a little speech bubble for where my icon picture, where my spotlight picture is going to come up, and you can actually see me live in the video. So that helps if that is the way you would like to present, so that you want to give them someone to look at. As I can see here, that I would need to make some adjustments because this window is kind of covering up some of my text, and I don't want that to happen. So this may be a slide that I don't even want to use the window on. So now you see how that works. And so now if you want to do presentations and you would like them to see your face or to be able to have eye contact with them, you can always use this feature of the speaker spotlight.